Hello, my friends. I just got my design team goodies from the scrapbookingstore.com, and I wanted to share with you what I got. I did peek at them last night. I normally don't, but when I got my package last night, it was kind of in the evening. They've been delivering up to like 8:30 at night. It's kind of weird. So when I got it, I was too tired to film it, but I wanted to see it. So these are the upgrades. So I'll show you that in a moment. Let me show you how cool this is. It's like a red, white, and blue kit. Very 4th of July, Memorial Day Americana, which is super cool. And I believe there's 3 collections of Authentique all in one. But I'll leave all the information down below for you to see, as well as my affiliate link in case you want to go through my link to help support my channel. And if you don't, that's absolutely cool. You can just go to the website and that's great. All right, so let me show you what we have. The first one is Authentique Ladybug. So it is really just, for the most part, a crayon red. And this is that great Authentique bumpy texture, which is gorgeous. Red on red tone, red on red. With, I mean, the little lines on it are really thin, but I don't know, it's better than just a solid, for me at least. I'm not big into solids. The other side has polka dots. So that is awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead, oh, and it's Spectrum. Interesting. I'm gonna go ahead, maybe line them up. Yeah, I'll line them up like this. Next, this is Authentique Voyage 3 paper. Interesting. So this has all these cute little white birds. It's so cute. Baby blue little birds, and this side is a wood grain. I love wood grains. So I have that. Next one is an awesome plaid, and it's called July Patterns. So it's not white. You know, you would normally say red, white, and blue, but red, cream, and blue. And then the back side, oh, look at that. Look at the stars and stripes on the diagonal. So super cool there. See, it's like this goes up this way, and this one, the branding strips down here. Very confusing. All right, so this is the back side of that. I just showed you that. This one is called, it's the collection, calendar collection, July Sentiments, 2-sided papers. So lots and lots of cut-aparts, as well as the month of July, if you like to include, those are my dog's nails you hear. If you like to include calendars, but then look at all of these cut-aparts. We have stamps and tags you can cut out. I love the idea of cutting out this heart right here. So the star is cool. Kind of like that punched out. I wonder if that would work with my punch. We shall see. The back side is 3 different pattern papers in one. So you can build a whole layout out of this, depending on how you cut it and stagger it. Super awesome. So we have that. Next, this is called Voyage 1 paper. So just a really nice deeper red with cream stripes. Bold, but I don't know, you know, it's all kind of vintage and distressed with this line. So, and then this side is baby blue with little red and cream lighthouses. So cute. See, and some of it's hard to tell what is, it's hard to tell which is the A side. So I'm just gonna put them down and then I'll flip them. Oh, so we had this one already, so I can show you this side at the same time. That's that Ladybug paper. Okay, so here's a new one, which is super cool. It's the collection is Voyage, it's Voyage 2. And there are all these hexes of all kinds of different voyage things. Look at the cute little crab. I love the little crab. Oh, and then this one is cream with crabs all over it. Beyond adorable. All right, so this is gorgeous. It's a little bit more of a bricky red. So bricky red background with stars. Oh, and I didn't tell you the name of it. It is Voyage Collection again, and it's Voyage 10. And then the other side, it's just the converse. It's blue with white stars, or, you know, off-white stars. I'm feeling this one. I really like baby blue. So this one we have here is Voyage 6 paper. It is navy with baby blue, bold stripes. Oh, and then I loved this. This was my favorite paper in the whole collection. Do you see that they are different oars? I mean, that is so cute. And I already have a layout picked out for that. Kind of excited about it. So this one, okay, let's see. Oh, now I have it right side up. It's Voyage 7. And there are, it's like fancy, almost like fleur-de-lis, but there's little crabs in there. I mean, how hysterical is that? It's so cute. And then this side, is a gorgeous wood grain. Now this paper, I would have wanted 2 of because I want this wood grain. I have to use wood grain. But look at the fancy little crabs. It's so cute. All right, love that blue wood grain. The last paper that we have in the kit is the collection is Voyage, and is Voyage 12. And it's cut aparts again. So we have 2 sets of cut aparts. Which is the other collection with the cut aparts? It's the calendar collection. Okay, so cute little seagull, little crab here. Love this life preserver. And I had all of these great pictures, but I've already scrapped them, of lighthouses, and it was a red lighthouse in Western Michigan. So cute. It's on, you know, Lake Michigan, on the west coast of Michigan. Anywho, scrapbooked them already. Anyway, absolutely gorgeous. And then this side, it's navy blue with oars repeated over and over again. Great layering piece or background. All right, so here's our A sides of all these gorgeous papers. Yeah, and let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pattern papers, which is a crazy amount of Authentique. And oh gosh, this is not gonna flip well. And there is the other side. So we definitely are gonna get spoiled this time around. Now, to show you what is also in the main kit, we have an Authentique sticker sheet, and let's see. So it's a little bit deeper in some of the places of that cream tone, and then you have just the brighter, depending on what they want. These are all stickers, and they're nice weight of the sticker too. But there's things like, I'm not planning on scrapbooking 4th of July, I don't think, with this, because I happen to have red and blue pictures and things that are gonna work. But for 4th of July, clearly Life, Liberty, Happiness is awesome. We've got the Liberty Bell. Land That I Love, that can be any time for me. It does not have to be 4th of July. I was wondering if that's a full sticker. It is. But then there's cute things too, just like little banners and arrows, hearts. Look at, there's, this one is, you have a circle with an arrow and then an arrow that you can use separately. So super fab sticker sheet. We have a set of stickers this month. Now, in my perfect world, which does not exist, I would have a set of stickers or alphas in every single kit I get, because for some reason it completes a kit for me. So we totally are scoring this month. This is a set of stickers by American Crafts. They're called Celebrate Freedom. Now they are kind of, I don't know, 3/4 of an inch? I'm not sure. I have really small hands. That doesn't really help you. And I don't have, you know what? Let me get my ruler. Hold on. Hold the phone, people. Okay, let's see. And my ruler's disgusting. Let's see. It is 1/2 inch-ish. So they are great. They are like fire engine red glitter. I'm not seeing glitter fall out. And on the side, they're blue. Can you see the blue in that? So super awesome. Goes with the kit perfectly. Next, we have this set by Sticko of stickers. They are like holographic. Catching the holographic on that one. Blue and red stars. So that's great for those little like confetti pieces that you put around when you're finishing your cluster. And then finally, and I'm gonna show you these individually. We have a 61 piece of Bo Bunny Noteworthy. And let me tell you one of the reasons why I'm so excited about this. First of all, you know, they asked what would we really like to see the design team in kits, and I was like, and what I said was die cuts and alphas. And I am a happy, happy girl. So I was so excited that that's what we got this time. So these are Bo Bunny Noteworthy 61 pieces. But if you take a look, and I'm gonna unbox them, they have different colors in here along with the red and the blue. And that makes it fun. So let's say you're not doing just 4th of July or like a Memorial Day parade kind of thing. You can actually go a little bit rogue with it. So let me show you what is in here. I know we're gonna get the crinkle. Good for those of you that like the crinkle, not good for those of you who do not like the crinkle, right? Come on. I mean, there is a lot in here. So this is like a flat black desk, my desk in my office, so you can get a color idea. So let me show you bit by bit what we have in here. We have a gigantic block, which is gorgeous. Pop a photo there and a little sentiment. It'd be so easy, especially if you do 8x10 scrapbooking. Now let's see. Oh, floral pieces. Now see how it's a slightly different tone? Well, not slightly, it's a different tone of a blue. How awesome is that? But then it brings in the navy and the darker red. So those are cute. Looks like fireworks bursting. Oh gosh, I'm finding bugs. There are bugs. Okay, look at this. A gigantic ladybug journaling spot. And then cute little buggies. That would be cute for a picnic. Look at these little ladybugs. Cute. You can have them going up your page. I didn't see those before I opened this. More floral pieces. Floral, floral. So cute. Great floral pieces. Now I'm gonna bring in some butterflies. Oh, I see another butterfly. It's hanging out. So look at how great these butterflies are. So we're bringing in some of the aqua too, and that could be just gorgeous. Some of the yellow. So we have butterflies. We have another thing with fireworks on it. And let's see. Oh, look at barbecue girl. Cute. Let's see. More florals, and that has the, you know, this one is mirroring the colors in our collection a little bit more, but it's bringing in some nice yellow. There's a nice dark floral piece. Oh, another butterfly. So they have butterflies in each of the colors that are in the kit. I'm separating out just a couple of things. So we have this little, well, would you call it a firework? A little rocket? 4th of July. Let Freedom Ring. Oh, I see a really big piece. Hold on. This could start a whole cluster. How awesome is that? It is a decorated bike. Now in my neighborhood, I don't have little kids anymore, but they do a 4th of July parade where all the little kids get to decorate their bikes. That would have been beyond awesome. Let's see. So now we have a bunch of little pieces. Oh, look at that. Looks like Captain America. I bet that's a floral, another floral piece. So let's put little pink floral piece. I have a banner. Oh, here's another one of the rockets. It's like a pretty rocket. Who would have ever thought a rocket could be pretty? A nice little pie. So you can go a lot of different directions with this collection. Even though I know it's, you know, very patriotic, you can go a lot of directions with it. We have this, come here, I'm trying to get this little watermelon piece. Watermelon, then I have a little watermelon piece there. Little stars. Oh, I found another, maybe that's where I put the banner piece. So let me put my watermelons, my stars. I have little star piece here. Fireworks, that would be awesome for 4th of July picks. I do have some, they're not good picks at all. I was taking some at night last 4th of July and I still have to scrapbook them. So let's see how that goes. Little banner pieces. So there are 6 little banner pieces. You could do a really nice banner across your page. Another little strawberry in pink. Found another watermelon. I love when you can do things in odd numbers or large numbers to repeat little floral pieces. So yeah, we can really enjoy doing the florals. Let's see what color this star is. A pink one. And it's not just pink, it actually has a design on it too. And then another floral piece. And then finally, I thought these were so cute. The first layout I'm gonna do with these ice creams. So this is an ice cream journaling block, which, I mean, how cute is that? And then there are 3 ice creams to do support. How cute is that? And these are not in the red, white, and blues. So you could take, this is what I was excited about. You could take the cream color wood grain, which I'm not gonna be able to find when I'm trying to show you the ta-da. Okay, you could do this, and it is a totally different vibe all together. You put that like that. Oh, look at that. I mean, you could have so much fun with this. Anywho, this is the kit this month. It is the kit and the upgrades that was sent to me, and I will leave the links down below to where you can get your kit and upgrades. That's it for today, friends. Bye-bye.